Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a proper nice laptop. I mean, this laptop is like brand new. Check here. HP, Ryzen 5, and Radeon graphics, but looks like brand new. Not even prints on the laptop. Nothing. The problem with this laptop, dead. Now let's check the customer email. The customer is a computer business, but actually the customer, I believe he took the laptop to the Currys first. Laptop won't charge. Info for Sony: voltage from the charger seems to drop to 0.9 when plugged in. That's clearly a shorted motherboard. Laptop has no life. Laptop is only 18 months old. Initially, customer found USB-C port will not charge work properly. Currys said it was probably due to the new technology just having a blip and is normal, so they didn't look at it. I mean, this is bad. This is not some. It's not some kind of like old laptop. It looks like a brand new. When I'm saying like brand new, it's actually not only the age of the laptop, but how the customer actually take care of the laptop. You can see it. Check that. Not even prints. Now, I'm not sure what they are saying about the USB-C because this has a blue pin. You think it will charge on the USB-C? Possible. But I'm gonna plug the normal plug, the round pin, blue pin HP charger. Yeah. So we need 19 volts, little bit of current. We have the HP blue pin, plug in the charger. And yeah. I mean, check there, yeah? We have the current 600 milliamps because that's what I set up. But the voltage, yeah? Pay attention on the voltage, dropping to 3.5. If it will be a short here, it will drop to 0. I mean, it will be like this, right? Now you have 0 volts on the power supply. But because it's 3.5 volts, means the short is behind of something, a resistance, some semiconductors. So yeah, I can tell you for sure, the short is not on the charging port, it's after the first two MOSFETs, yeah? So we know for sure that. Now let's open the laptop and let's have a look inside. I'm not sure what happened. This is kind of like a simple fault. You can see the fault actually before opening the laptop. So why computer business like Currys are not fixing this kind of faults? I mean, what they are doing, they are not replacing the motherboard. They are not manufacturers. So yeah, I don't understand. I mean, if you're a computer chain, yeah, just spend some money, hire some good people for repairs, and you'll get a good name. And the laptop, it's open. Yeah, that's a nice motherboard. Now there is some misunderstanding. It's like I'm going to get myself hired. I'm going to a computer shop, and they ask you what you can do. I can do that. Okay, what money do you want? I want £200 per hour. And they will say, no, I can't pay you that. It's like too much. Okay, here is the problem. A computer shop, it will never pay you. Basically, you will pay yourself, and also you will make money for the computer shop. So that's how it's working. So if you go, to get a job, tell them what money you want. And if they say something about money, just tell them, no, don't worry about that. I will make that money for myself, and also I will make some money for you. Yeah, that's how it's working. Okay, we have a nice easy chip there. The laptop looks untouched. I'm gonna disconnect the battery. No, why? No, the battery is disconnected anyway. So what do we have to do here? We have to find the main power rail. The main power rail, check here. Yeah, this is confusing. You have coils which are black. You have not like normal coil like this one. Then you have capacitor, because the capacitor on the output of the coil. Then you have MOSFET, and then you have like a small capacitor here, you can see. Here you have an electrolytic capacitor. We're gonna check that capacitor to ground. So checking that capacitor to ground, and it's good. What happened with our... wait. Now, here is the main power rail. Check here, yeah? 0 ohms, 0 ohms. Yeah, 0 ohms. So here is shorted. No, I was wrong. So you have a coil, this coil, which is creating the main power rail. You have two dual MOSFETs. I can bet they are dual MOSFETs. And it's creating the main power rail. So the short is not on the main power rail. 1 second. No, the short is not on the main power rail. Probably we have battery voltage here. 1 second. So here we have... No, we don't have battery. But anyway, the short is not on the main power rail. The short is before the power supply which is creating the main power rail. Yeah. Good. Let me grab the thermal camera. So we have the thermal camera, we have the power supply. I mean, you know the drill, yeah. So we're gonna come with like 1 volt. I'm gonna plug the charger because I want the ground from the charger. Good. So I can use only one probe on the board. So here we have, yeah, the current is too low. Yeah. So check that, we have like 0.6 volts, 2 amps. And what is getting hot, wait, something there is getting hot actually. Huh? Oh my, okay. I'm not sure what is there. Anyway, let's raise the current even more, like 2.8 amps. And I can see something hot there. I mean, that's strange. Check there, the shape. Oh lord, this is the cable. That's the cable. Yeah, it was like a weird shape, but yeah, that's the... Yeah, because I'm getting the ground from the charging port. So what is shorted then? Hey, nothing is shorted here. The CPU which is getting warm? Yeah, probably. When nothing is getting hot, then must be the CPU. But how? Now it can't be the CPU because the main power is not shorted. We established that, right? 1 second. Here we have 1 volt. Here we have... come on, I was pushing current into the ground. And that's why this was getting hot. So we have to push current on the other side of the capacitor. Well, what is that? 1 second. So here, check that. Which one it is? The second one, that one. I mean, that's crazy to not fix a laptop because of a shorted capacitor. Yeah, that one, yes. Say hello to my little friend, huh? No, we can't do that, no. No, we can't do it anymore. You know, people are getting funny when I'm using the pliers on a motherboard. So the capacitor is out. So what about now? Now if I come with the power supply exactly there, yeah? Exactly here. It's not short, you can see on the power supply, not short. So all we have to do is to raise the voltage to 19 volts. It's taking like 50, 60 milliamps, 2.5 amps, check there, 2.5 amps. You can believe that, 2.5 amps. We have the charging light here. Can I press the power button? Not sure if I have enough current. Pressing the power button, the laptop is coming on. It's taking 3 amps. Oh. Yeah, we have picture. Yeah, it's expected. It was a shorter capacitor. This is probably the most easy fault and easy to be found fault. Yeah, check there. 18 months old laptop. Yeah, this is a good one. It's not like Intel Silver or Gold or whatever. Yeah, this is a good one. Yeah, the laptop is fully working. Let me shut down the laptop and let's try the USB-C. Okay, let's plug the USB-C. So we have the USB-C, plug in the charger, and the meter it is coming on. Check the 19 volts, 1.2 amps, 2.3 amps. Check that, it's charging fine. Yeah, we do have the charging light. Everything is fine. I mean, I don't even have enough content to do a video. We are like, what, like 7 minutes? I'm just saying how simple to be fixed it's this kind of fault. Anyway, I'm happy I helped the customer. Hopefully the actual customer learned a lesson, so if he has an issue with the laptop, don't go to the manufacturer, don't go to like big shops, just go like to small shops. Most likely you can find there someone can fix your motherboard. Fantastic. The capacitor. Yeah, the capacitor gonna replace the capacitor on next video, of course, like usual. So thank you for watching. You know, like, subscribe if you like the video, like always, and see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members-only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.